Select 3D sphere modeling tool, select first point, select diameter and give diameter of 200 mm. So this is the 3D sphere modeling tool in AutoCAD. Delete this model. Now we will learn about 3D pyramid. Select pyramid, select edge, select first endpoint. Now specify second endpoint. Give 200 mm, press enter and give height of 200 mm, press enter. In this way, we can create a pyramid using 3D pyramid tool. Again, go to pyramid. This time, select sides. Specify the number of sides of pyramid. Give 5 number of side and press enter. Specify center point. Drag the mouse. Give base radius of 150 mm and give height of 200 mm. Press enter. So, in this way, we can create a multi-side pyramid.